What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Jay. I brought you another video today about dude trash talking me in the game before. The game before, I was at the third bottom racket or whatever. I wasn't trying. I was just playing around. It was my first game on, so I really wasn't all that. The dude been on my dick all game. He been tripping and all that, so I hopped in the customs with him. He's talking shit during customs. My bad if the audio didn't pick up. I didn't know the audio doesn't pick up through the game, like my voice audio. So all you're just gonna hear is him talking and like all the other stuff I got in the video. But yeah, I like to reach 20 likes. That's all I'm asking. 20 or 10 likes. If we do that, I'll drop another banger video. You know what I'm saying? And just make sure to like, subscribe, comment what y'all want next, cause I know y'all don't only want COD videos, but that's what I got right now. Let me know what games y'all want me to play and stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, help me help entertain y'all. Tell me what y'all want me to play and stuff. Alright, have a blessed day.
Level 81.
Easy!
You handled yourselves well. Report to brief.
What do you want me? What do you want me? Scared, nigga. You're scared. Shut the fuck up.
Mama ain't ever raised no bitch. Not up in here.
Pussy. You're dog shit.
I'll be
What's the health at? Put it down to 30 or less, or I'm not playing.
Free for all. You're on your own, soldier.
No, I'm good. Shit would have been over with if you put on radar and fucking lower the hills.
Stop it. Get some help.
Shit would have been over. 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 Bro, why do you sound like such a fucking weird? You're weird. Still scared to fight fucking 1v1 me guns, man. Okay. 6 gamers still.
You serious?
Way more. Well, you want me guns, man?
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
I don't snipe. Then? Let's do guns after this then, if you're not scared.
In the lead, don't lose it.
Let's 1v1 guns after this then, bro.
You fell for it, pussy fart.
Yeah, would have been over if you fucking weren't a retard.
We do not care.
Oh yeah? Wanna play on my house and let's see who wins? Zach, shut the fuck up.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
So lucky you're named in a public with my recent players.
What the f does that mean?
So lucky, would have never joined you. So lucky. So lucky, shut the fuck up, I don't care.
It's only a game. Why you have to be mad?
No. Not really. I'm straight chilling, bro. Got a little bad there, come on.
Want a break from the ads? If you tap now to watch.
Fucking Obsidian Car 88, yeah, bro.
Well, no fucking shit.
Fucking.
Motherfucking, down.
I don't have Obsidian. shit. Won't beat me on my house, man. And you won't beat me in guns either. Nah, you're just lucky your shit didn't pop.
Nice.
Scared.
Hey, disconnected.